Do you want to know how you can log out of your Wise account from all of the devices which you have previously logged into? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log out of all of your devices with which you have signed up to Wise. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open wise.com on any of your browser. Then make sure that you are logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can go ahead and register for Wise now. After you have logged into your account, tap on your profile and go to settings. Now, as you are going to log out of everywhere, you can find this over here. So go to the settings, scroll a bit down, and you can find log out of everywhere. If you notice any suspicious activity, log out of Wise across all devices and browsers. Tap on it and you can see the logout everywhere option over here. If you simply click on it, you will be logged out of all devices with which you have signed your Wise account. So let me show it to you once again. The first thing you want to do is open wise.com on any of your browser. Then go to your profile and go to settings. Now scroll all the way down until you find logout of everywhere, tap on it and click on it once. And click on logout everywhere again, and in a while you can notice that you have been logged out of your Wise account. And same goes for other devices as well. Every device with which you logged into Wise will now be logged out and you need to log into it manually. I hope this video about how you can log out of all of the devices with which you have signed into Wise with was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.